Today, we're going to talk about gut health and microbiome. We're going to find out what is gut microbiome, where is it located, what determines the composition of your gut microbiome, why is gut microbiome health is so important, what is this biosis, what is leaky gut, and how we can fix this issue, how we can fix this biosis and leaky gut. Gut microbiome is this ecosystem of trillions of microbes. These microbes are not only bacteria. We only talk mostly here about bacterial as microbiome, but microbiome is really a soup, is an ecosystem. These bacteria, these viruses, these protozoa, these fungi, all of these together make our microbiome. And the health of all of these little microorganisms are important for the gastrointestinal health of our system. So all these microbes plus the collective genetic material they're present can make our gut microbiome. This is controlled by our diet, our lifestyle, our epigenetics that we're going to talk about as we go through the talk today. But I just want to tell you the importance of microbiome by the numbers. And what I mean by that, why are we saying gut microbiome is so important for our health? We have about 10 to 100 trillion of these microorganisms living inside us. And this is about 10 times more than our own human cells. That's the number, 10 times more than our number of human cells that we have, the number of gut microbiome. The genome also, they have about 100 times more components of their genome compared to the humans. We have about 22,000 genes in our cells, in our nucleus, and they have there's about 3.3 million genes coming from these microbes. And humans are from 80 to 90% different in their microbiome. However, in our own human genome, we are about 99.9% similar. So you see how important it is to have this microbiome, to take care of this microbiome. It's almost like we're a shell taking care of this soup of these microbes inside us. Not only it's important that you have this huge amount of microbes, it's very important also for the health of the body that you have a diversity. If you have, like you can see here, it says over 10,000 different microbe species, microbial species you have in the body. So this becomes very important when we talk about food and how important it is that we have variety of food as opposed to just focus on like standard American diet, which is kind of like processed food, a lot of very minimal variety of food. So this becomes very important that you have to think about your microbiome as not only a lot of, as far as the number, also a lot of variety as far as different species. And then more than 90% of the diseases are connected to the gut microbiome suboptimal operation or so the microbiome of the gut, when it's not operating at its optimum, it causes the disease, and 90% of the diseases are associated with that.